Lecture of mathematical modeling, I am going to teach all the exponential growth model and its limitations. So let me start with the lecture. So exponential growth model. Now what is an exponential growth model? Let n of t be the population at time t. Malthus, while framing the population growth model, made three assumptions. So exponential growth model is also known as Malthus model. Okay. Now let n of t be the population at time t. Malthus, while framing the population growth model, made three assumptions. So he made three assumptions. What are the three assumptions? First assumption is population was sufficiently large. Second assumption is population is homogeneous. And the third assumption is there is no limitation to growth. Okay. Then continuation only, let n of t be the initial population. Okay, n of t is what? Initial population. T is equal to 0. Suppose population changes only by birth and death and not by immigration or emigration. So let b of t and d of t denote the number of birth, okay, and death. B of t is the number of birth and d of t is the number of death that have occurred at time t. Therefore, per capita rate B and D is given by what? B is equal to is what? 1 upon n of t dB upon dt, and D is equal to 1 upon n of t dd upon dt. Okay. So therefore per capita growth rate of population at any time will be B minus T. So plug the value of B and D over here. Okay. What is B? 1 upon n of t dB upon dt minus what is t? 1 upon n of t d upon dt. Okay. So B minus t is what? I have taken 1 upon n of t common and d upon dt is also common over here. So what is left in the bracket? B minus d. Okay. B minus d. So now let r is equal to b minus t. In place of b minus t, what I am going to write? R. Okay. Plug the value of r over here. Then 1 upon n of t, write as it is. In place of b minus t is capital. B minus t, what you are going to write? N. So what you will get? 1 upon n of t dn upon dt. So now dn upon dt, write this as it is equal to r. This n of t will go here. Okay. Move here. So take this as equation 1. Now this is called as Malthus growth, where n naught is the initial population and r represents net growth rate. Okay. Next is the solution and the interpretation. So we have dn upon dt is equal to r into n of t and dn upon n of t. See what I have done over here. Dn, this n of t I have brought it here down, is equal to r into dt. I have taken it here. So I have to integrate this. What I am going to get if I integrate dn upon n of t is equal to integral of r dt. So for this I will get nothing but log of n of t is equal to, here I will get rt plus constant. So at t is equal to 0, n of t is equal to n naught. Okay. N naught is the initial population. And what is this? Log of nt, right, as it is equal to rt. In place of c, I am going to write log of n naught. Okay. And log of n naught is nothing but this is constant only. So log of nt, bring this the other side. What you are going to get? Minus log of n naught. Because this is positive. If it goes other side, it will become negative. So minus log of n naught is equal to rt. Write it as it is. So log of nt upon log of n naught is equal to rt. N of t is equal to, what you all are going to get? N of t is equal to this. Okay. Wait. This is, don't write this. After this step, I'll turn the page. What you are going to write is n of t upon n naught. Write this n of t upon n naught. Log will go other side, so it will become e raised to power of rt. So n of t is equal to n naught into e raised to power of rt. Take this as equation 2. So equation 2 gives population at time t. So what is going to happen? See this two graph. When r is greater than 0, population grows exponentially. Okay. When r is greater than 0, the population grows exponentially. Okay. The population will grow exponentially. Okay. Next is what? And when r is less than 0, the population is driven towards extinction. The population will extinct, okay, when r is less than 0. Next, let us see the limitation of exponential growth model, okay. let us see the limitation of exponential growth model, which is also known as Malthus model. So many biological population grow initially, okay? So many biological population grow initially at exponential rate, but due to crowding effect, growth rate declines. Okay, so due to crowding effect, growth rate is declining, okay, it decreases. Therefore, the growth rate R cannot be constant and depends on population density. This is the disadvantage of Malthus model. This is Malthus model, okay. So dn upon dt is equal to r of nt, r into n of t, and next is what, dn upon dt is equal to r of n into r of t, okay. I hope you all can see this clearly. So this is the last part. This is the limitation part, which you all have to only take this as a note, okay, notes. So this is very easy to understand, and I hope you all have understood today's lecture, and thanks for watching.